I've now created over 6 hours of video lessons on the art of segmented wood turning. It's been a lot of fun to learn how to do this. I've enjoyed every bit of it. Before finishing up here, I just want to mention those 3 critical elements one more time. The importance of great form, the absolute necessity for perfect joinery, and consistent wood grain alignment. For my next DVD project, I plan on doing a set of specific plans, including the blueprints and written instructions. That'll be about a year from now, maybe the fall of 2010. I hope maybe you can springboard into a new direction. For my work, take your work in a new place and maybe come up with something that helps advance this art form for all future segmented wood turners. Above all, have fun. I'll see you the next time I'm in front of this camera doing another DVD.